kami. Pero mukhang hindi natin magagawa yung city bus tour today because it's raining. So instead, tinry na lang namin dito sa Banmi 25 where you can get your Banmi for as low as 35,000 VND. We also went konbini and grocery shopping para sa mga pasalubong namin. And syempre, we also had to try the head massage of NASPA. Actually, marami pa silang ibang ino-offer na services pero ito ang target lock namin dito. No recording while the massage is ongoing pero grabe ang relief na naramdaman ko sa ulo ko after nung massage. Included din yung herbal shampoo sa package namin kaya after that, para na rin kaming nagpasalon sa soft ng hair namin. Hindi talaga nagpatinag yung ulan. Hanggang gabi laban na laban siya. At this point, medyo nag-aalala na kami kung matutuloy ba yung flight namin papuntang Danang later. But God is good because tumigil naman yung ulan later on.
Mahiwagang broken hearted.
Bana Hills. This is our driver. Si Bossing.
Ngayon, mag-check-in na tayo sa Mercure Hotel, which is the accommodation inside Bana Hills. Binook namin to via Klook and this includes breakfast na. We think this is the best option para masulit mo yung stay mo sa Bana Hills, lalo na kapag limited lang yung time na nakaalot.
Alpine. Pwede kaya yung helmet na lagyan ng camera? May ganun sila.
Pero, pwede. Kasi ako nilagay ko doon.
Welcome to Bana Hills.
After namin mag-settle down, hindi na kami nagpatumpik-tumpik pa at kumala na kami sa Bana Hills. Aside from the vibe and establishments around here, isa rin sa mga attractions dito ay ang amusement park nila. So we tried some of their rides.
Wow. Selfie natin dalawa. Camera.
Isa pa sa mga goal naming mapuntahan today ay ang Golden Bridge ng Vietnam, which also can be found here at Bana Hills.
Alam kayong sa paano mo para
Mami, maganda pag nakaganito.
No,
May naghahalikan
Alam mo yung
Saan?
Bakit kaya nangahalikan?
Saan?
Ano
Ayun,
ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Pero ko ngayon.
Siguro dito siya natin
Sorry.
Princess Sarah.
Puro ka. Pag ganun, miga ka.
One of the reasons why I would suggest na dun kayo kumuha sa Mercure Hotel ng accommodation is because Bana Hills is even more beautiful at night. We've decided na dito kami tumambay sa plaza para rin mag-check if mayroong kaming mabibili pang food. Then, may biglang nagsindi ng bonfire. Ano kayang meron? Grabe, nakakatuwa. First time namin ma-experience ito, and look at these people of different ages and nationalities. Every time na maglulok back ako sa night na to, I get nostalgic talaga.
Ayaw ka na rin,
I was planning to surprise and treat my friends tonight because half of our group will be going back home tomorrow na. And di na nila maaabutan yung birthday ko in 2 days. Pero may pa-surprise rin pala sila na sash and birthday headband namin.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well, that's it for day 4 and 5. Happy birthday to me!